Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Apple ID is ready. Sign in under Settings and verify payment details. This lets the App Store charge correctly. Once done, enable Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode for secure, one-tap confirmations because that prevents accidental purchases. Make sure the device is online, Wi-Fi, or LTE so the transaction can complete. Finally, check the specific app's description to confirm it offers in-app purchases. This avoids wasting time on apps that don't support them. You now perform the actual buy flow. Open the app and navigate to its Purchases, Store, or Subscriptions area. Once you pick an item, consumable, non-consumable, or a subscription, read the price and any trial or renewal terms so you know what you're committing to. Next, tap Buy or Subscribe. The system will prompt for authentication. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password to authorize. After authentication, the app receives a receipt and grants access instantly in most cases. You finish by confirming the purchase. Check the app's unlocked features and verify the charge in Settings. Right arrow your name, right arrow Purchases or Subscriptions. If content doesn't appear, make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID, then use the app's Restore Purchases button or reinstall and sign back in to sync receipts. If something went wrong, duplicate charge, wrong item, request a refund through Report a Problem. Apple.com or contact the developer. That resolves most issues quickly and documents the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.